your mind and won't stay for your meal. Getting all the piece of pie for your wife. Everybody wanna know.
On 20 February 2025, at approximately 7:30 in the evening, Pietra Pellay's handbag was stolen from her motor vehicle at Mega City Mall in Mahikeng. The incident occurred while Pillay was returning a shopping trolley roughly 10 meters away, having left her front passenger door open with the handbag on the seat. The stolen items include an Aldo handbag worth 2,000 Rand, a cell phone to the value of 6,000 Rand, cash of 1,200 Rand, and an indemnity document with the replacement value of 140 Rand. A witness, bystander Brian, claims he saw a man snatch the bag from 15 meters away. Despite the dimly lit conditions and moving traffic, Brian identified the suspect as Lucky Langa, a student he had seen on campus, though he admitted only seeing the person's face briefly. Lucky Langa was apprehended by police at a taxi rank about 30 minutes later. Police report that he had acted nervously and tried to walk away during questioning, leading to his arrest on suspicion of theft. However, no stolen property was found in his possession. Langa maintains his innocence, claiming he was at the taxi rank to meet a friend and alleging that the police failed to explain the reason for his arrest. He has been charged with theft.
The matter before us is the State versus Lucky Langa, case number M56 of 26 in the Mbathu Magistrates Court. The accused is charged with theft.
Prosecutor, please proceed.
Your Worship, the accused, Lucky Langa, is charged with theft, as given in the charge sheet that the accused is or are guilty of the crime of theft, in that upon or about the 20th day of February 2026 at or near Mega City Mall, Mthambathu, in the Regional Division of Northwest, the accused did unlawfully and intentionally steal the following items: to wit, one handbag to the value of 2,000 Rand with a cell phone valued at 6,000 Rand, cash amounting to 1,200 Rand, and an identity document with a replacement value of 140 Rand, adding to a total of 9,340 Rand, of which the property or in the unlawful possession of Pietra Pellay.
Do you understand the charges against you?
Yes, Your Worship.
Accused, how do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Worship.
I confirm that the plea aligns with the discussions I had with my client.
Your Worship, the State will show that the accused unlawfully and intentionally stole the complainant's handbag out of her motor vehicle. An eyewitness observed him at the scene committing the offence and identified him as the perpetrator. It was also agreed that it is unnecessary to call on the complainant for admission of a formal testimony, as agreement was made with the defence under Section 220 of the Criminal Procedure Act.
Your Worship, the defence will show that the accused was wrongly identified as he was not at the scene at that time. The lighting at the scene was poor, the distance was significant, and the witness only saw the suspect briefly. No stolen property was found on the accused's possession. This is a case of mistaken identity. We further confirm that certain evidence will not be disputed, and the court can therefore note admissions of the theft of Pietra Pellay's property, the items and the value thereof, as well as the date and time of the offence in terms of Section 220 of the Criminal Procedure Act.
Sir, do you confirm, as indicated, that the certain admissions be recorded in terms of Section 220 in the Criminal Procedure Act?
Yes, Your Worship.
Your Worship, the State is ready to call its first witness. May I proceed?
You may proceed, Advocate Litchfield. Will the court orderly please remove that person from the court?
As it pleases the court, Your Worship, I now call bystander Brian to the witness box.
Please state your full name for the record.
Bystander Brian, Your Worship.
Do you confirm that the evidence you are about to give is the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God?
Yes, so help me God, Your Worship.
You may proceed, Advocate Litchfield.
As it pleases the court, Your Worship. Mr. Bryan, please tell the court if you witnessed the commission of any offences on the 20th of February 2025 at Mega City Mall.
After I finished my shift at work, as I was moving towards the parking lot, I saw a man take a handbag from a car that the door was already open of. Swiftly after that, he was moving towards the taxi rank, and after that, I heard somebody scream for help.
Were you able to identify the person taking the handbag?
I told the police that the person resembled Lucky Langa, which I have seen on multiple occasions previously on campus.
Because the parking lot was dimly lit and you were 15 meters away with cars moving, can you be certain it was Mr. Lucky Langa?
I only saw his face briefly, but I know Lucky as I've seen him many times on campus before, and this man resembled Lucky.
Were you able to observe any specific facial features to be certain it was Mr. Lucky Langa?
Yes, Lucky has a prominent nose, and the man that I saw had one too.
I put it to you, sir, that due to circumstances in the parking lot, you were unable to correctly identify the perpetrator. The version of my client is at the time of the offence, he was not at the parking lot, and therefore it is not him who committed the offence.
The defense asked about the lighting conditions. How far was the nearest light from the parked car? And what type of light was it?
The car was parked 5 meters away from the nearest light, and the person walked through the light to get away.
I have no further witnesses to call upon. This is the case for the state, Your Worship.
Mr. Smith, if you're ready, you may proceed to call your witness.
Your Worship, the defence has only one witness to call to the stand. We call the accused, Mr. Lucky Langa.
Please state your full name and surname for the court.
Lucky Langa, Your Worship.
Do you confirm that the evidence you are about to give is the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God?
Yes, so help me God, Your Worship.
You may proceed, Mr. Smith.
As it pleases the court, Your Worship, Mr. Langa, where were you at 7:30 on the 20th of February 2025?
I was walking to the taxi rank to meet a friend. I was not at the mall parking lot as the witness testified.
Were you arrested, and did the police find any handbag or stolen property on you?
Yes, I was arrested at around 8 p.m. and nothing was found in my possession, only my personal belongings.
Do you deny committing the theft?
Objection, Your Worship. The question is leading the witness.
Objection about. Defense, do you wish to rephrase?
As it pleases the court, I have no further questions on this aspect.
Mr. Langa, why did you appear nervous when the police questioned you?
I was surprised and confused by the accusation.
Is it possible that you were in the parking lot at the time of the offence?
No, I was not there.
I put it to you that you were indeed at the parking lot and took the handbag as per evidence of the state witness, and you were arrested by the police based on the description of the suspect given to police by the eyewitness. You were nervous and even tried to walk away.
I object, Your Worship. This is not the evidence on record as given by the eyewitness. So, unless the state is going to call the arresting officer to testify, I request that the prosecutor retract the statement.
I agree. This is not evidence on record. Mrs. Litchfield, do you have any comments?
I agree, Your Worship. I retract the statement as it pleases the court.
Mr. Lucky Langa, why were you surprised when the police questioned you about the accusations?
Because I did not commit the offence.
I have no further witnesses to call upon, Your Worship. This is the case for the defense.
Right.